practically pushing this person away, they can feel that the worst thing ever happened to this person. Need to take decision. It's really tough part of life. It's a algorithm of life. Ups and downs. You are feel alone. It's a worse version of a deception. But hate is there as well. This always they can't blame you for their stupidity. Break is on between you two. You really don't want to patch up with this person. Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of August. Forecast reading for the month of August. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aries? What are the Aries person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Aries? These cards really want to jump out of the deck. Go with that. Aries, 9 of Swords, 7 of Wands, 2 of Swords and Strength. What are the Aries feeling, thinking and intentions toward this person? What are the Aries feeling, thinking and intentions toward this person? Wheel of Fortune, 6 of Swords, the Fool, 5 of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? Aries, the Moon, Empress. These are your cards, Aries, and sign that could relate it to your person. Leo with this Strength, Pisces with this Moon, Aquarius with this Empress, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 5 of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 2 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 6 of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 7 of Wands. Aries, you are pushing this person away, and their charm, their love, their affection, nothing is working on you. You are totally resisting. Not resisting. Actually, you are practically pushing this person away. They can feel that. You are standing up for yourself. You are fighting against this person, and your feelings for this person is totally under your control. You are strong. Desires, feelings, affection, love, and everything for this person is under your control, or you are strong in front of this person. And this person, that's the worst thing ever happened to this person. This person is totally in depression, anxiety, thinking about worst possibilities, in darkness around them. There is shadows around them, and they can't sleep at night properly. And with this 2 of Swords, this person need to take decision. It's a really tough thing to do that in this position. They are listening about a lot of things. It's hard to put two things together. They need to put things together, but it's really hard for them. So for that, they are cutting off all the outside voices and try to concentrate, try to find out what should they do about this situation. And the situation is slipping from their hand. You are slipping from their hand. You are just pushing this person away. You are fighting against this person. You are giving this person depression, anxiety. Wheel is totally ups and down, but in your favor. In the end, it's in your favor, and you are having a new beginning. You are in a roller coaster emotionally, maybe, or maybe life is ups and down. It's a part of life. It's an algorithm of life. Ups and downs. It's ingredients in our lives. But you are the good thing. You are having new beginning here with this Fool card. Finding solutions, problems, whatever the problem coming in your way, along with the solution. Every problem with solution, with a lot of easy. So there is a ease for you. But this person somehow make you feel abandoned and suffering. You are suffering. Maybe not financially, but your heart, your feelings, you are suffering from this, whatever this person tried to give you. You are feel alone. You are in just some kind of right now with this Wheel of Fortune, with this 5 of Pentacles, tough time for you. But you are finding solution. You need to concentrate on this new beginning and these solutions. You will find the solution. Every problem in your way has along with the solution. So don't panic, just concentrate on solution. I know, I can feel that, Aries, some kind of roller coaster, emotional ups and downs, some kind of miserable phase right now, but you are moving on and you are having new beginning. And this person is worse because this person is in anxieties, depression, sleepless, restless, in and destiny also. This is about destiny. When you are afraid, when you are scared, insecurities in you, you are in deception, when you give your own self some kind of deception, it's a worse version of a deception, when you totally lying to yourself. And this person is insecure and trying to back up themselves, but it's not that easy. Major arcana cards in your favor, these are the minor arcana. It's okay, it's fine, you will been through easily. Yes, you are Empress, major arcana card, you can do it. You are totally in your glory with all your humble, kind nature, glorious, radiant, beautiful, and always a really peaceful and positive person you are, Aries. Let's see what else we have for you, Aries. What else we have for Aries? And we are having here Knight of Sword, King of Pentacles, and King of Sword. This person is mad at you. You drive this person crazy. This person is crazy. This person is mad at you, aggressive towards you, hating you. This love, okay, they love you maybe somewhere, but hate is there as well. This person is practically hating you, but you are putting boundaries around you, healthy boundaries. You are like a tree, and this is around you. This is these veins, it will protect you. You are not going to let anyone to step into your range, your the place. You are not letting in, and you are not going to move an inch away from your whatever you decide, whatever your decision, and whatever you're doing. You are not going to undo that. And with this King of Sword, you need to give this person tough looks. And yes, you are giving this person tough looks. You are tough, you are rough, you are straightforward, calculative. Whatever this person is doing, you are counting, you are totally dealing with person in a really mathematical and calculative way. With this King of Swords, you are cold toward this person, no feelings for this person right now. You are protected, this person is angry, this person is mad at you. Just check the pattern, these three cards. This person is in anxieties, restless, sleepless, insecure, deception, self-deception, lying to themselves, mad at you, blaming you. It's some kind of, I'm getting a feel this person playing victim with you. They are blaming you for their problems. I can feel that, and that's the reason you push this person away, and that's the reason you are just like totally strong, because this is not how things works. Always they can't blame you for their stupidity. They can do that, and you are not going to accept it. So right now maybe you face this kind of some kind of miserable phase, but at least you are fighting against this behavior. Just they are playing victim around, always they do that, and you are done with that. That's why you are giving this person this King of Sword, tough, calculative, mathematic manners. They deserve that, they get that. Sympathy, divine love, affection, no, it's hard to handle this person with these kind of soft feelings. Let's see what else we have for you. Let's grab some pieces, more energies from the recent future. Aries, 4 of Sword, 9 of Sword, 5 of Sword. Break is on between you two. You really don't want to patch up with this person, because this person always do that. They play victim and they blame you for their problems and what happened in their life. So break is still on, but somehow you can feel that this is this person's anxieties, this is this person's insecurities. You can feel that now they will blame you for their restlessness, their this deception, and this whatever they feel. They are blaming you, and in result there is a conflict between you two, and this conflict will give this person more anxiety. If they try to pick up a fight with you, Aries, they're definitely driving themselves more crazy, and they are putting themselves in a really sensitive stage, and this stage when you are totally when a person anxiety is full of anxieties and depression and insecurities, they don't trust anyone anymore. If they try to pick up a fight with you, and you will definitely, I think, maybe you, the way these cards, buckle up, I think you are going to disagree with this person. You are not responsible for this person's this depression and this, whatever they done to themselves. This, you are not responsible for that. So break is still on. You are not going to cooperate with this person the way they want favors. So you will agree, and it give this person more anxieties and depression, Aries. Let's see what else we have for you. What else we have for you? Caution is guaranteed. Look deeper into this situation before proceeding further. Okay, take some precautions and look deeper before doing anything. Just look deeper into this situation according to you, that's matched you. A lot of Aries, maybe it's not for you, maybe it's entirely about you. So taking decision, so just look deeper into your situation. Let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Let her, let him go. No need to fix, need to accept. Spend some time with your mother, face your fears. That's relevant. These are your advice messages, Aries, and summary of your reading is this person is totally feel that you are pushing them away, and you are not letting this person to blame you and play victim around every time. So you are totally controlling your feelings, your desires, your emotions, and you want to have a new beginning, and you are finding solutions. Maybe right now you feel like that I'm in a bad position, but you will find solutions. And this person is worse. They are just in anxieties, depression, sleepless, restless, thinking about all the bad possibilities. Break is still on between you two. And if this person try to pick up a fight with you, you are so gonna disagree with this person, and it will give them more anxieties, Aries. These are the summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.